Today is rescue day. This is a big one. We are taking in 10 dogs, possibly more, all the way from Texas.
Oh my God.
Texie?
This one's Tex.
He's great giant puppy. Under 4 months. He's awesome.
Here you go. Thank
Really
you so much.
laid back. So sweet.
Wow.
And then this is for years, yeah.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. Look at him. Fawn. Oh, I remember you. I remember you, Fawn. I asked about you specifically. Look at you, Fawn. How was your drive? How was your drive?
Wow.
Are all three Great Pyrenees?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Wow.
You're my baby!
Oh my Lord, they are so cute.
Can you believe it?
Oh my Lord.
So sweet. Very laid back. Best. So they're a 4
Wow.
months standard poodles.
What a looker.
Wow.
It's a breeder surrender.
Okay.
Surrender?
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I see you! Hello?
11 months.
Oh my God.
They're already fitting right in.
Look at these babies. So this is the rest?
It looks. There's one more in the van. You ready, buddy? Come on, go.
Wow.
Hey, Duchess. Come here.
Hi, sweet peas.
Come here. Couldn't wait to meet you. Couldn't wait to meet you. Start letting more dogs out.
They're all like having
They're doing
fun.
great.
Let's start with Luke. Luke and Milo.
Oh, I thought you were like. Oh no, I'm just.
Hey, bud. How you doing, bud?
I wasn't sure how.
All right, so a lot more of the dogs are out. We just keep letting dogs out, so I think about 70% of the dogs are out right now. Look at Duchess, she's so awesome. You? How you doing? Look at the babies. Hi! Hi! All right, guys, so now pretty much the entire pack is out. And they're just all getting along and doing so well, and we just love it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we don't know what Bello is.
Look at you.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I mean, can you believe this one?
Oh, look at that. That's a
Can you believe it?
Lee, that's the calmest that puppy's been since we left.
He's probably just scared. Who is this large man squeezing me? All right, guys. So as you can hear, it's very calm. You know, a little bit of barking here and there, but the entire pack has met the new pack, the original Asher House pack. That's Rocky's still getting used to it. So that's Rocky you hear barking in the background. But all the Asher House dogs, the originals, are here, resting and relaxing. Olive is quite curious about the Great Pyrenees puppies. Hi, sweetie. Want to come up here? Bud? Hi! Hi! Come on! Hey! Hi! So we're doing a little pack walk. so beautiful to see how happy they all are, and it's really wonderful. I really feel so grateful to be able to do this. I can't tell you. And so thank you is what I'm trying to say. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be able to rescue these dogs and for supporting the Asher House. Thank you. Got you inside.